Hey guys, I'm K. Harshad. Today we are going to discuss the topic of extinct animals. What do you mean by extinct animals? Extinction is a condition where a particular species of organism or plant are not found anywhere on this earth's surface. So these kind of the species or organisms which are not found anywhere on the earth's surface, they are called extinct animals. Now if we take the example of dinosaurs, dinosaurs are now nowhere found on this earth. We cannot find them anywhere in the continents. So dinosaurs is an extinct animal. So like this I have took five animals in my top as my in my topic, and I have briefly explained about these five animals. So I hope you'll enjoy this and you will gain some amount of knowledge regarding the extinct animals. Thank Hope you will enjoy it. The first animal that we are going to see is about dodo. So dodo, most of you have heard the name of dodo. I guess it looks like a bird, so it belongs to the family of a bird. Now, what is the scientific name of this bird? Dodo had a scientific name of Raphis cuculatus. It had the name Raphis cuculatus. And people found this dodo mainly in the areas of Madagascar, islands of Madagascar, which was located in the Indian Ocean. So this was an endemic species, means it was rarely populated, but where it is populated, there it was, plenty in number. So, what was the reason for this bird to extinct was people were hunting this bird actually. So the Dutch says there's a common belief, or people believe that this dodos went extinct due to the hunting of humans. We humans, the Dutch sailors mainly, they hunted these dodos. So as dodos were very heavy, so they couldn't run so fast. So people felt hunting dodos easy tasks, so people started hunting dodos and they started feeding on dodos. So they fed on dodos to an extent where they went extinct. So in that scale, they went feeding on dodos. So due to this reason, now dodos are extinct. The last dodo which was killed was in 1681. In the 16th century, the last dodo was seen and it was killed. The second animal is a saber-toothed cat. So it looks like a tiger, as you can see. This belongs to the family of Felidae. It not belong to the family of tiger or cat. It belongs to a separate family called Felidae. This was seen roaming in the areas of North America, Europe. Okay, as you can see in the picture, another function of this saber-toothed cat, it is having a very large mouth and very large teeth for hunting its prey. So one of the function of this saber-toothed cat was it had a long mouth and long teeth for hunting. The scientific name of this saber-toothed cat was Smilodon. And the reason for this saber-toothed cat, can you all say where we have seen saber-toothed cat? There is a character of this particular species in the movie. It is Ice Age. So we see this kind of animal in the movie Ice Age. Yes, I think most of the children have watched the movie Ice Age. So at that time only, during the Ice Age only, these saber-toothed cats were extinct. The reason was due to the increase in the temperature and hunting. So as the temperature was increasing, the ice was melting, and then the creatures weren't able to survive. And even the hunting, because there were humans even at that time, so people hunted those creatures and they fed on them. So this was the reason for the extinction of saber-toothed cat. The third animal that we are gonna see is about the woolly mammoth. Yes, the woolly mammoth, as you can see in the picture, it's very large in size, and the tusk it is having, how incredible it is, so long. Now, this woolly mammoth, belong to the family of Elephantidae. Okay, and this particular species was seen roaming in the areas like Canada, Europe, and even some parts of Asia also. And then the scientific name of this woolly mammoth was Mammuthus primigenius. Okay, the scientific name was Mammothus primigenius. Now, the reason for the extinction of this woolly mammoth was the climate change. Main reason for the extinction of mammoth was the change in the climate. Because there was ice, we can even see this character of mammoth in the movie Ice Age. So the movie Ice Age had all the extinct species. If you are having interest towards the extinct species, please go through the movie Ice Age, because it's a summer time, and in summer we are all free, so we can spend some time educationally by seeing such kind of movies where we can see all different kinds of extinct species which we cannot find now. So even this mammoth was also one of the extinct species we have seen in the movie Ice Age. So due to the fall in the temperature, I mean the raise in the temperature, sorry, due to the raise in the temperature, ice was melting. So these mammoths, they were having so much of fur on them, and having so much of fur, and then temperatures are increasing, they couldn't survive and they went for extinction. So we cannot find mammoths, but we cannot say that elephants are the species of mammoths. So, okay, mammoths are different and elephants are different. The fourth animal that we are gonna see is it's a very common, known as a kind of creature that now I am gonna discuss. It is nothing but dinosaurs. Yes, we cannot complete our topic without covering the topic of dinosaurs, because this was the first species. So if we say about dinosaurs, everyone knows that yes, dinosaurs are extinct. So dinosaurs, the scientific name of this dinosaurs was Dinosauria. Okay, and the family was also Dinosauria. During the Mesozoic era, during the Mesozoic era, these dinosaurs went extinct. So we have seen in the movie, yes, in Jurassic Park movie, yes, we are having even movies based on this dinosaurs. That is the Jurassic Park. So there we see different kind of dinosaurs. Yes, we see different kinds of dinosaurs there, and as it was the era of dinosaurs, there were even other species of animals, but these dinosaurs were seen everywhere because it was their era, it was their age. So as now it's our human age, we are everywhere. So same during the dinosaurs period, they were everywhere. They were in Europe, Africa, America, India, everywhere they were seen. And the real reason for extinction of these dinosaurs, many people think that due to the hit of an asteroid they went extinct. No, before the hitting of asteroid, there were internal changes happening on earth, like increasing in the temperature. So there was sudden change in temperature, so these dinosaurs weren't able to, having time to adapt themselves to that particular temperature. So due to this rising temperature, and then even volcanic eruptions. So as there were everywhere volcanic mountains, and then volcanic eruptions happened, so even that was a chance why most of the dinosaurs were dead. And due to the increase in the temperature, most of them were dead, and at last there was a hit of asteroid, and after that there were no dinosaurs seen. The fifth animal and the last animal that I am going to discuss about in extinct species is Tasmanian tiger. Yes, Tasmanian tiger. This was mostly found in the areas of Australia and islands of Tasmania. It got the name Tasmania tiger because it lived in the jungle or the islands of Tasmania. The scientific name of Tasmanian tiger is Thylacinus cynocephalus. Okay, it belonged to the family of Thylacindia. This Tasmanian tiger, it was same looking as wolf or jackal, as you can see in the picture. The reason of extinction for this Tasmanian tiger was excessive hunting. So, because humans were the reason for this extinction of Tasmanian tiger, excessive hunting of Tasmanian tigers took place. Then then the destruction in the habitat. As we can see now, also we are destroying all the habitats of the creatures. Like we are destroying forests. Yes, even that time there they destroyed those forests or the habitats of that particular species, and then there were new kind of diseases that were introducing. So due to all these reasons, Tasmanian tiger extinct. It went extinct. So it is no more seen. So all these animals which I have discussed now, you may be knowing some and you may not be knowing some. Yes, so all these animals which we have discussed are now extinct, so we can't find them. So what the main reasons, if we go through, the natural reason was the temperature changes, so that we cannot do anything. But the another cause was humans, hunting humans. So we need to spread awareness among ourselves, because these animals are very important, because we don't want our generations to speak about some organisms that now we are seeing, like lions or tigers, that once they were there and now they're extinct. So we don't want to bring such conditions. So we need to spread awareness among ourselves that hunting of animals is not good. Yes, because without them there is no balance maintained in this in this ecosystem. So animals are equally important as we are humans. So it is our responsibility to save these animals and to stop this illegal hunting of animals due to various reasons for export and import, and all the other reasons are also there. So I hope you have learned, you have gained some knowledge on extinct